Rotations and rules in red-black trees. Red-black trees are a special type of self-balancing binary search tree. In this presentation, we focus on rotations and property enforcement, which are the core mechanisms that keep the tree balanced. By understanding these rules and rotations, we can master how red-black trees maintain efficiency even after multiple insertions and deletions. Why red-black trees matter? Red-black trees are important because they provide strong performance guarantees for all core operations. Performance guarantees in red-black trees ensure consistent efficiency for core operations. First, logarithmic time complexity is achieved. Search, insert, and delete operations are performed quickly. And the execution time scales logarithmically with the size of the tree, making red-black trees efficient even for large datasets. Second, they offer guaranteed worst-case performance. There are no unexpected slowdowns, because the maximum height of the tree is strictly limited, ensuring predictable behavior in all scenarios. Red-black trees guarantee O log n height for all operations, including search, insert, and delete. This prevents the worst-case degradation to linear time that can occur in unbalanced binary search trees. Because of these properties, red-black trees are widely used in real systems. These elegant structures power critical systems worldwide, including the Linux kernel's process scheduler, Java Streamap and TreeSet implementations, and high-performance database indexing systems. Why rotations matter in red-black trees? Rotations play a vital role in maintaining balance in red-black trees. By enforcing strict color and structural rules, the tree avoids degenerating into a linear structure and remains balanced after every modification. Rotations are key operations that locally restructure the tree. They allow nodes to change positions while preserving the binary search tree order property throughout all transformations. Most importantly, rotations provide guaranteed efficiency. They ensure the tree height always remains O log n, guaranteeing consistently efficient search, insertion, and deletion operations in all scenarios. Visual comparison, balanced versus skewed tree. Here we see the difference clearly. A balanced red-black tree keeps its height small and operations fast. A skewed binary search tree, on the other hand, behaves like a linked list, leading to poor performance. This comparison highlights why balance is crucial. What are rotations? Rotations are local restructuring operations. They modify only a small portion of the tree while preserving the in-order traversal sequence. This means the binary search tree property is never violated. There are two fundamental types: left rotation, right rotation. Each is a mirror image of the other. Left rotation explained. In a left rotation, we pivot around a node X and its right child Y. Node X becomes the left child of Y. Y's left subtree becomes the right subtree of X. All parent pointers are updated accordingly. Most importantly, the in-order sequence remains unchanged, so the BST property is preserved. Right rotation explained. Right rotation is the exact mirror operation of left rotation, providing symmetrical tree restructuring capabilities. In a right rotation, we pivot around a node Y and its left child X. Node Y becomes the right child of X. X's right subtree becomes the left subtree of Y. All parent relationships are updated accordingly. This operation restructures the tree while preserving the binary search tree ordering. Fixing violations during insertion. After inserting a new node, red-black tree properties may be violated, most commonly when a red node has a red parent. To correct this, the fix-up process follows three well-defined cases, based on the color of the uncle node and the shape formed by the nodes. Case 1. Red uncle. When the uncle node is red, no rotation is required. The parent and uncle are recolored to black, and the grandparent is recolored to red. The algorithm then moves up the tree, treating the grandparent as the newly inserted node. Case 2. Black uncle forming a triangle. Here, the node and its parent form a triangle shape. A single rotation on the parent is performed to convert the triangle into a straight line configuration. Case 3. Black uncle forming a line. In this case, the node and parent already form a line. A rotation on the grandparent is applied, followed by recoloring, where the colors of the parent and grandparent are swapped. Through these cases, all violations are resolved, and the red-black tree regains its balance and efficiency. Rotation plus recoloring in action. When a new node is inserted, it is always colored red. In this situation, the new red node creates a red-red violation with its parent, which is not allowed in a red-black tree. To fix this, the first corrective step is performed. A left rotation on the parent node is applied. This rotation converts the triangle configuration into a straight line structure, preparing the tree for final correction. Next, a right rotation on the grandparent node is performed. This rotation restores the overall structure of the tree while maintaining the binary search tree order. After the rotations, recoloring is applied. The colors of the parent and grandparent are swapped to eliminate the red-red violation. Finally, the tree reaches a balanced state. All 5 red-black tree properties are restored, and the tree remains efficient and height balanced. Summary: master rotations and rules for success. Rotations are the core mechanism that enable red-black trees to maintain balance efficiently during all insertions and deletions. They allow the tree to restructure itself while preserving the binary search tree property. The red-black tree rules provide a height guarantee. By enforcing these properties, the height of the tree is always bounded by 2 times log of n plus 1, ensuring logarithmic performance. Mastering case analysis is essential. Understanding the different insertion and deletion cases ensures that tree operations are always performed correctly and consistently. These concepts also form the foundation for advanced data structures. The same ideas extend to other balanced trees and many real-world applications. By mastering rotations and rules, we can build fast, reliable data structures that power some of the world's most critical systems.